Hi, this is Fumichika. Please call me Fumi. I'm a customer support from OpenLM. Today, I would like to explain how to open up the ports in Firewall, Windows Defenders. So first of all, we changed our specification precisely. This will be on the website, so you can check the inbound and outbound port you have to open up for each machine, each component machine. For example, if those components are reside in the same machine, you don't have to open up ports in Windows Defender or Firewall. But those components are separated in the different machine. You have to open the inbound port and outbound port. So, for example, OpenLM server machine it's getting data. Inbound means incoming data. So 5015 is getting the incoming data and then sending out data from outbound port. 5000 is the identity service, and then 7026 is the DSS, something like that. So if you are using this component in different machine, you have to open up the ports in outbound. Yeah. So the same logic works for every component machine. But please note that if you are using those components in the same machine, you don't have to be worried about. So first of all, please go to the Windows control panel and then System and Security, Windows Defender Firewall, and then Details, Advanced maybe. Yeah. Then you can set the inbound rule. Yeah. So choose port, and then next, and then TCP, and then like a inbound 1015. Then next. Please consult with your network administrator here, and then you can name it like OpenLM. Yeah. Then next, so outbound rule. Then choose port. Then if we are using an identity service, maybe 5000, and then DSS like this. And then you can use like this one too, like uh, like this. Yeah. Then next, and then approve, allow connection. Next. Yes. So that's all from me today. So thank you very much. Bye now.